What's that?
A unicorn.
That is a big unicorn.
Yes, that one is big. But I can ride on it.
You can ride on it?
Uh-huh.
I don't think so.
I'm big.
Yeah, I think you're too big.
I think I can ride on my teddy bear.
Oh, okay. What else did you get? You want to show me the butterfly thing?
No, it's really too big.
It's too big?
Yes.
Okay.
But I can show you the little one.
Let me see.
Show you that.
I thought you were going to show me the lamb.
I'm supposed to. Your feet hurt?
No, my feet are okay.
I like your toenails.
Thank you.
They come out?
Yeah, I got to do my nail polish again.
Yes, me too. I need my nail polish again.
Okay, we need to have a pedicure night.